To create routes, first you have to log into your user panel. After that, you have to select the vehicle for which you have to add the routes. After that, you have to click on History Report, this history option here. A new window will open. In this option, you will be getting the routes button at the last of this chart. You have to click on the routes, and whatever the line has been already traced by this particular vehicle, that you can add route here. So basically you can add the route for the traced portion, the traced path. Like this vehicle has already traced this particular path, or this is tracing like that. So for this only the route can be created from the history report. So likewise you can create the route for this traced path. You have to add the route name. For an instance, I have added the route name as Ashok Pillar, and you have to save it. Likewise, the route has been created. Similarly, if you want to delete the route, you can delete from this option, and also if you want to edit the name of the route, you can edit from here itself. So what basically routes does? This option is useful for the schools or institutional buses or vehicles. So in that you can fix a route for the particular vehicle. In case driver diverts the route, means the user will get alert or notification of diversion of vehicle. So likewise it will help the institutional or schools to make their children safe. Also, once the route has been created, you can map that particular route to any of the vehicles which has been already onboarded on your list. Like as of now I have created the route for this particular vehicle 4125. Suppose I have to assign the same route to this vehicle 2697. I can assign the route here. You have to click on edit first. You have to go to routes, and here the option will come. At that time you can map that route to this particular vehicle. I hope the video is useful for you. Thanks for watching.